Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn binomial distribution. बोर्ड का जो क्वेश्चन बैंक है we are going to solve that question bank in this video. So let's see first question, that is multiple choice question. This is for 2 marks. See, the first question is what? In a binomial distribution with this parameter n is equal to 4 and this equation is given to you. So what this equation is given here, 2 times of probability x equals to 3 is equal to 3 times p of x is equal to 2. Then probability of success, that is p, is to be find out. So how we can do this? Listen here, 2 times of p of x is equal to 3. So here n is equal to 4, so we'll write it 4c3 p raised to power x. So our x is what? 3. So p raised to power x means p raised to power 3 into q raised to power n minus x, that is 4 minus 3 1, which is equal to 3 times p of x is equal to 2. So p of x is equal to 2 means here n is equal to 4cx, that is ncx, so 4c2 into p raised to power x means what? 2 into q raised to power n minus x, that is 4 minus 2 it will be. So 4 minus 2. Now here what we can cancel? See this here, p square we can cancel over here, p square we can cancel, so p square we cancel, and this q we can cancel here, this p square we cancel. Then what we will get? 2 times of 4c3 is 4c1. See here, 4c3, that is equal to 4c1, and 4c1 is equal to what? 4. Here this 4c3 is equal to 4 and is left over here into q is cancelled already, so q will not be there. So therefore right hand side is what? Right hand side is 3 into 4c2. 4c2 is equal to what? 3 upon 2 minus 1. 2 and 1, that is 4c2, and here p cube is p square is cancelled here. What is left? Q. So q is left. Then now again this 2 is cancelled here, so this 2 is getting cancelled over here, this 2 is getting cancelled over here. So what we will get here? 4p is equal to 9q, but q is equal to 1 minus p. So as we know, q is equal to what? 1 minus p. So q is equal to 1 minus p. So therefore write it 9 into 1 minus p. So therefore what we get? This 4p and this 9p, it is equal to 13p. 13p is equal to what? 9. So therefore what is p? P is required over here. You have to find value of p. So therefore p is equal to 9 upon 13. So p is equal to what? 9 upon 13. So we are getting value of P is equal to 9 upon 13. So 9 upon 13 is the first option. So first option is the correct option. Yes, students. Next question we attempt. So next question is what? X follows binomial distribution with parameter np, where n is equal to 10. Here n is equal to 10 and probability of success p is 0.4. You have to find Ex. So simple formula, Ex is given by what? Here formula for Ex is given by E of x is equal to n into p. So what is our n? N is equal to 10. So n is equal to 10 and p is equal to what? 0.4. 0.4. So this will get 4 over here. So therefore what is E of x? So therefore E of x is equal to what? E of x is equal to 4. So this is our answer. E of x is equal to 4. So 4, that is D option is the correct option. Then next question, we attempt next question, that is 3. X follows binomial distribution with parameter np. Variance is given, probability is given, and n is to be find out here. So variance is given, p is given, and n is to be find out over here. Variance Vx is equal to npq. Variance Vx is equal to what? npq. Now what is given here? P is given. Now as P is equal to 0.4, so therefore we can find Q. Q is equal to 1 minus P, and it is equal to 0.4, which is 0.6. So Q का value होगा 0.6. Now n is to be find out. Vx is given. Vx is 2.4. Therefore it is 2.4 is equal to n we have to find, and p, probability p is equal to 0.4, and probability q is equal to, probability of failure is 0.6. So therefore it is n into, here this multiplication will give us 0.24, and here it is 2.4. So therefore what we will get? N. So therefore n is equal to 2.4 divided by 0.24, and we cancel this. So if we cancel this, you will get n is equal to what? 10. So therefore we are getting n is equal to what? So n is equal to 10. So this is our answer. N is equal to 10 is the answer. So n is equal to 10 is the answer. Here first option is the correct option. First option is the correct option. Next question. Here the question is fourth one. Given x follows binomial distribution with parameter n is equal to what? 10, and Ex is given 8. So we have to find what? Probability p. So how we can do this? Probability p is to be found out here. Here given x follows binomial distribution with parameter n. So what is n over here? N is equal to कितना है? 10, and Ex, simple, Ex is equal to what? Formula is this, np. Ex is equal to np, and probability is to be find out. N is equal to 10 over here. So here n is equal to 10, and Ex is given, that is 8. Here n is equal to 10 into probability p. What to find here? P. Therefore P is equal to 8 upon 10, which is 0.8. Therefore probability P is equal to what? 0.8. So what is our probability? So the required answer is this: P is equal to 0.8. P is equal to 0.8. So here this B option is the correct option. Then next is Bernoulli distribution is a particular case of binomial distribution when parameter n is equal to 1. So remember this, when parameter n is equal to 1. So this is the probability of Bernoulli distribution. Here it is, so p raised to power x into q raised to power 1 minus x. So clearly here n is equal to what? 1. So n is equal to 1, that is D option is the correct option. Then we will do next question. Here this is what 1 mark question. So we solve this 1 mark question. First question: x follows binomial distribution with parameter np. Ex is given and Vx is given. Then find what? N. So wherever Ex and Vx is given, so we always use ये रेशियो आपको यूज करना है, Vx डिवाइडेड बाय Ex. जब Vx and Ex दोनों दिया है तो what is your Vx? See here, Vx is equal to npq is Vx and Ex is what? np. Now Vx is what? 4 दिया है. Ex is what? 12. So Ex is 12. Now we cancel it. Here np is getting cancelled over here. So what is left over here? And यहाँ पे this 4 is getting cancelled. So what is left over here? It is q is left only. So q is left here and यहाँ पे 1/3. So this is what? Q. Now once you are getting Q, you can find what? P. So we are interested to find what? N. So N आपको find करना है. So how we get N? So first of all we find P. Therefore P is equal to 1 minus Q and it is 1 minus 1/3, which is 2/3. That means P is equal to what? 2/3. Then we have Ex. Ex is equal to what? 12. So Ex, that is equal to what? 12. But Ex is what? Np. Np आपको N find करना है here. Here we have to find what? N. So now P is what? 2/3. So 12 is equal to N into 2/3. Therefore it is, here it is 6 and we will get N is equal to what? N is equal to 6 into 3, 18. Therefore N is equal to how much? 18. We'll be getting N is equal to 18. So here N is equal to 18. Okay, is the answer. Now N is equal to 18 is the answer. Now next question, question number 12. But for Bernoulli distribution, state formula for Ex and Vx. So state formula for Ex. So Ex is equal to what? Np. But N is equal to 1 over here. So as N is equal to 1 over here, so therefore this is what? P only. So this is Ex. Then formula for Vx. So formula for Vx is what? Vx is equal to npq. But as N is equal to 1 over here, therefore formula for Vx is equal to P into Q. This is the formula for Vx. So thus in Bernoulli distribution we have formula for Ex is equal to what? P, and formula for Vx, that is equal to what? Pq, that is equal to what? Pq. Then yes students, third question from 1 mark question. X follows binomial distribution with parameter np, and the probability distribution is given by this formula. Okay, to best of my knowledge, so here there is a mistake, that in place of 3 minus x, okay, it should be 8 minus x. It should be 8 minus x. Now what to find here? N and p is to be find out here. So formula is this. If we compare with इसके साथ अगर आप इसको कंपेयर करते, p of x is equal to ncx p raised to power x into q raised to power n minus x. So you will get the answer n is equal to what? Here n is equal to 8. So n is equal to 8, and probability p is equal to what? Probability p is equal to what? 1 by 2. Probability p is equal to what? 1 by 2. So what, find n and p. So thus we are getting this answer, n and p. Now next question. State formula for probability mass function of binomial distribution. So probability mass function of binomial distribution, as I wrote here. So probability of p of x is equal to x is given by ncx p raised to power x q raised to power n minus x for x is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n. Probability p lies in 0 and 1, 0 and 1, and q is equal to 1 minus p. Q is equal to 1 minus p. This is a formula, and it is p of x is equal to what? 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise. So this is formula for probability PMF, probability mass function of binomial distribution. The next question is question number 5. See, this question number 5 is what? A die is thrown and x denote number of positive divisors of outcomes. Then find the range of random variable x. So our x is what? X is positive divisors of the outcomes. So when a die is thrown, so what are the outcomes? So outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is what possible outcomes when a die is thrown. Now what are the positive divisors of these outcomes? So x will be equal to what? So here x is positive divisors of these outcomes. So 1 has only one divisor, 2 has divisors 2, 1 and 2, 3 के divisors क्या है? 1 और 3, मतलब 2 ही है, ऑलरेडी आपने लिखा है. 4 के divisors 1 और 2 और 4, मतलब 3 divisors है. Positive divisors of 4. Positive divisors of 4 are 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 4 itself. Now divisors of 5, what are the divisors of 5? 1 and 5, मतलब 2. Divisors of 6, 1 भी है, 2 भी है, 3 भी है और 6 भी है, मतलब total number of divisors are 4. What is our x? Or x denotes number of positive divisors of outcomes. So what will be the range of x? So what will be the range set? So this will be the range set. This will be the range set. So x will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the range set. So will be the range set here. Yes students, third question, question number 3. that is short answer, that is 2 mark question. So we attempt this 2 mark question. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है, रैंडम वेरिएबल x फॉलोज बायनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विद पैरामीटर np, वैल्यूज ऑफ मीन एंड वेरिएंस. मीन इज 18 एंड वेरिएंस इज 12. सो वेयर मीन और वेरिएंस दिया है, मतलब ex इज गिवन, व्हाट इज गिवन ओवर हियर ex. तो ex कितना दिया है 18, वेरिएंस vx कितना दिया है, variance vx is what given here 12. So wherever ex or vx is given, so we'll find the ratio, that is vx divided by ex, vx divided by ex. So what will be this ratio? Np, formula is this vx npq, formula for ex is np, and this is given vx is 12 and ex is 18. So what we can cancel here? Here this we cancel, it is okay 2 by 3, and here np, as np is getting cancelled, therefore we will be getting here q is equal to 2 by 3. What will be p? So p will be equal to what? Therefore p is equal to what? P is equal to 1 minus q, and it is 1 minus 2 by 3, that is p is equal to what? Therefore p is equal to 1 by 3. So we are getting p and we are getting q here. What to find over here? See, here we have to find total number of positive values of x. So first of all we will find n. आपको n फाइंड करना होगा. ex दिया है, इससे आप n फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ex is equal to np. So ex, how much it is given? ex is 18 दिया है, n into p. p is equal to how much it is? 1 by 3. Therefore n is equal to 18 into 3 हो जाएगा वो 54. Now actually p of x is equal to x is given by ncx p raised to power x q raised to power n minus x. Here x is taking values what? Here x is taking values what? Here this x is taking values 0, 1, 2 up to n. N is what? N is 54, or n is 54. So total number of positive values of x will be what? From 0 to 54. Therefore it is total number of values of x will be equal to how much? 55. Total values of positive values of x are 55. We attempt now next question. Here answer of this question is what? The total number of positive values of x, that is equal to what? 55. That is equal to what? 55. Now we will attempt next question. Given x follows binomial distribution with parameter, थर्ड सब क्वेश्चन आपको अटेम्प्ट करना है. x follows binomial distribution with parameter np, ex is given, vx is given, जैसे कि हमने पहले किया था. सो vx डिवाइडेड बाय ex करना है, रेशियो vx divided by ex. So what will be this ratio? npq. This will be npq. ex is np. Now what is given here? vx कितना दिया है? 4.2 दिया है बेटा. ex कितना दिया है? 6. ये हो जाएगा. So if we cancel this, so it will become 0.7. यहाँ पे np is also getting cancelled, and you will be getting here q is equal to what? Q is equal to 0.7. Therefore p is equal to what? You will be getting p is equal to what? So therefore p is equal to 1 minus q, and it is equal to 0.3. It will be equal to what? 0.3. हमको फाइंड क्या करना है, हियर n फाइंड करना है और p फाइंड करना है। तो p तो आपको मिल गया है, सो n हाउ वी फाइंड, वी यूज फॉर दैट ex। तो यस बेटा, ex इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, np, और n आपको फाइंड करना है यहाँ पे। p इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 0.3। ex दिया है, ex इज हाउ मच, 6 दिया है। n इज इक्वल टू फाइंड करना है आपको, p इज 0.3, therefore n is equal to 6 divided by 0.3, it will be 20. Okay, this will get cancel over here, ये cancel होगा and it will be what, 20. So therefore we are getting n is equal to what, n is equal to 20 and p is equal to what, p is equal to 0.3. Yes, done it is. Now we attempt next question. Next question is what, x follows binomial distribution with parameter np, n is equal to 10, p is equal to 0.4 and e of x square is to be find out here. हमको e of x square find करना है। So how we find e of x square? Here formula for e of x square is what? Now as we know Vx, so we attempt this third sub question. We know Vx, variance is equal to what? This is a formula, e of x square minus ex whole square. This is a formula for Vx. Then we apply this formula here. What is given here? N is given, p is given. So as p is equal to 0.4, therefore q is equal to what, 0.6. 1 minus p, that is 0.6. n is equal to what, 10. So we can find Vx. What is Vx? Vx आएगा npq, npq, n is 10, p is 0.4 और q is 0.6. This is 0.24 and in all you will get 2.4. That is Vx. Vx आपको मिलेगा 2.4. Now Ex is to be find out. So what is this Ex? So formula for Ex is equal to np, or n is 10, or p is what, 0.4, and this will become 4 only. Substitute in this result, ये formula में आपको रखना है ये. So Vx is equal to what, 2.4 is equal to e of x square. What is your e of x square? E of x square आपको find करना है. E of x square find करना है minus ex. Ex is what, 4 square. So therefore e of x square is what? So e of x square is equal to 2.4 plus this 4 square is 16, which is 18.4. Okay, so that will be what, 18.4 is the answer. So e of x square will be equal to 18.4. 18.4 is the answer. 18.4 is the answer. Next question. So what we have to find here, e of x square, that is 18.4. Now we attempt question number 4th. x follows binomial distribution with parameter n is equal to 6 and what equation is given, कौन सा equation आपको दिया है, 2 times p of x is equal to 3 that is equal to p of x is equal to 2. So we apply formula p of x is equal to x is ncx p raised to power x q raised to power n minus x. So apply here n is equal to how much it is given 6, यहाँ पे दिया है n is equal to 6, here it is given n is equal to what 6. So in this formula 2 times here p of x is equal to 3. So यहाँ पे n 6 है, 6 c x is what 3, p is equal to we have to find x is 3 into q n minus x मतलब 6 minus 3 right hand side is p of x is equal to 2. So p of x is equal to 2 means what, 6c2 p raised to power 2 and q raised to power 6 minus 2 that is 4. What we can cancel here, ये p square पूरा कैंसिल होगा, यहाँ पे p रहेगा, इस q will be cancel, यहाँ पे खाली q रहेगा. Now 2 into 6c3 will write as what, 6 5 4 3 2 1. what is left over here, खाली p बचता है यहाँ पे. right hand side is 6 5 divided by 2 into 1. what is left over here, खाली q बचता है इधर. 6 and 5, yes this 6 and 5 is getting cancelled. यहाँ पे ये 2 cancel होगा इधर. then what is left here, 4p upon 3 और ये 2 will take here and right hand side will be what, 3q. that means and this q we will write this q is equal to what, 1 minus p. so it is q is equal to 1 minus p. this will be 3 into 1 minus p. so it is 8p. this is what, 8p and it is equal to 3 minus 3p. so 11p is equal to 3. therefore p is equal to 3 by 11. p is equal to what, 3 by 11. what is to be find out here, क्या find करना है आपको, yes बच्चों p find करना है. what you are getting, p is equal to 3 by 11. so we are getting p is equal to what, 3 by 11. then next question, see here question is probability mass function of random variable x is given by this formula 4cx 5 by 9 raised to power x 4 by 9 raised to power 4 minus x. तो क्लियरली यहाँ पे n कितना होगा, इफ यू कंपेयर विथ दिस फार्मूला ncx p रेस्ट टू पावर x q रेस्ट टू पावर n माइनस x, इस फार्मूला से आप कंपेयर करेंगे. तो n मस्ट बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच, तो आपका n आएगा, व्हाट इज दिस n, n इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 4 आएगा. और p कितना आएगा, p इज 5 by 9 और 5 by 9 और q कितना आएगा, q इज इक्वल टू 4 by 9. So what to find here, ex and vx find करना है. Yes students, ex and vx is to be find out here. Here n is equal to 4. probability P is equal to what? 5/9, and probability of failure Q is equal to कितना है? 4/9. What is EX? Here EX is given by NP. So NP मतलब 4 into 5/9, which is 20/9. It's 20/9. Then EX is this, then VX is to be find out. So VX is equal to NPQ. VX is equal to NPQ. NPQ is VX. What is our N? 4. P is 5/9, and Q is what? 4/9. 4/9. So Vx you are getting 80 upon 81. 80 upon 81. So yes, done. This is the answer. Here we are getting Ex is equal to 20/9, and Vx is equal to what? See here, Ex is equal to 20/9, and Vx is equal to 80/81. Yes, dear students, in this video we have seen up to third question. Fourth question we'll do in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.